In front of me is OUKITEL G2 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same to the second one. When you finished access background apps, decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Then hit split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!